Hi everyone, I'm Audrey Lee and we are on the Glide Terra today. We're going to do some movements to help release neck and shoulder tightness, tension. So start in a comfortable upright seated posture, seated position, whatever is comfortable for you. I'm cross-legged. If that's not comfortable, you can extend your legs. You can have one leg bent. Find what's good. Feel your sits bones, these bones that are in your butt. Feel them touching on the board. And then sit up nice and tall. Feel extra length out of your neck and out of the top of your head. And from here, a little bit of movement. You're going to bring your chin down to your chest. Lift to center. Look up. Go back to center. 2 more times. Nice and easy. Nice deep breaths. Finding a comfortable flow. Back to center. Little pause in between. And then now think of bringing your right ear towards your right shoulder. Let the head be heavy. Come to center. Move to the other side. Nice and easy. Again. Ear towards the shoulder. Remember to keep sitting up nice and tall. Other side. Half circle. Ear comes to the shoulder, roll to center, roll to the other side, and up. Roll to the side, forward, roll to the side, and up. Feeling a nice release, feeling a nice stretch in your neck. And if this pace is a little bit too fast for you, you can slow this down. Center. Notice how you feel. Bring your attention to your shoulders. Typically we're rounded, sitting up tall, and let's counter that movement. We're going to lift the shoulders up and release. Just let them fall. Lifting up and lifting up and let them fall. Now from there, adding more movement. You're going to lift up, roll your shoulders back, roll them down, bring them forward. Up, roll back, down, forward. Once more. And forward. Now you're going to inhale, reach your arms up. Feel that stretch in your armpits and all the way out through your fingers and then lower down. Reaching up, lowering down. And as you reach, feel the reach in your spine. Feel the reach through your body. Adding some movement to that. We're going to inhale, reaching up. And then you're going to take a twist. Keep your spine long. You can place your fingertips onto the Glide Terra for support and lift it tall. Reaching up to center and then changing to the other side. Reaching up and twisting. And then one more round. Coming to center, deep breath, and notice how you feel.